In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with your PayPal balance step by step. First, log in to your PayPal account. At the top of the screen, you'll see your PayPal balance along with other options. Swipe over until you find the section labeled Crypto and tap on it. Here you'll see different options to buy, sell, send, or receive crypto directly in PayPal. Since we're buying Bitcoin, tap on Buy, then select Bitcoin from the list. Next, enter the amount you want to purchase. You can buy as little as $1 worth of Bitcoin, or choose larger amounts like 20, 50, 100, or more. You can also decide whether this will be a one-time purchase or a recurring buy every day, week, 2 weeks, or month. For this example, I'll make a one-time purchase, so I'll enter $1 and tap Next. Now on the payment screen, instead of choosing a bank account or debit card, simply select your PayPal balance as the funding source. Confirm that your balance covers the purchase, then tap Next. You'll see a purchase summary showing how much Bitcoin you're getting, the exchange rate, the transaction fee, and the total cost. If everything looks correct, tap Buy Now to complete your purchase. That's all it takes to buy Bitcoin with your PayPal balance. If you're buying Bitcoin with PayPal today, here's a way to lower your costs on the money moving side. Wise is a great companion for funding crypto purchases on exchanges that accept bank transfers or debit cards. You get fast transfers, excellent exchange rates, and multi-currency balances, which can be a lot cheaper than paying PayPal's FX spreads when you're moving money across borders. Right now, there's an exclusive offer. Use the link below to sign up, and your first transfer, up to $800, is free with zero fees. Opening a Wise account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. If you plan to buy on an exchange that supports bank transfer or debit card deposits, Wise can help you move funds in USD or other major currencies at low cost. Just check that your chosen exchange accepts Wise-funded transfers in your region and that you're following local regulations. If you want to cut fees before you even hit buy, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and claim your $800 fee-free transfer.